Hello everyone, and today we're going to talk about what's the difference between the adjectives imperturbable and inscrutable. Imperturbable means that someone is calm and controlled. For example, when I was reading The Grapes of Wrath of John Steinbeck, there was Ma Jode, who was described as an imperturbable woman. Why? Because she was calm in stressful and difficult situations when her family was moving from Oklahoma to California for a better life. And inscrutable means someone who's showing no emotions. For example, like a professional poker player. And yes, this word you can say is a very close synonym to the word poker face. And that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.